NewtonGATE Academy, where we make your dreams come true. So this video is about the Do-It-Yourself Contest of 2022. So what is Do-It-Yourself Contest? It is a platform where you can showcase your hidden talent and your creativity. Because innovation begins here. We are glad to receive such an overwhelming response from the students back to back in the second year of this Do-It-Yourself contest. It was a very tough decision to select the top 7 performers from all the phenomenal performances. So let's have some glimpses of the top 7 performances.
Welcome to my talk show. Meet my new friend. His name is Spring. Now, pineapple man, not Spring. Okay. Don't have me. Sorry. So, me, what do you like to eat? I'm a vegetarian dietitian. Oh, you're a vegetarian. So, what is your favorite food? I love to eat eggs. Eggs?
So I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video. We know that you all are very excited to participate this year also in the Do-It-Yourself Contest 2023. So we are glad to announce that our registration is going on for the Do-It-Yourself Contest this year. So you can all send your entries in the given mail ID, and the last date of registration is going to be 30th June 2023. We are eagerly waiting for all your entries, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel NewtonGATE Academy, and also do not forget to press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much for watching.